Alright guys, today as you can see I got some knuckles over here. Uh, this one specifically arrived today, and if you can notice the difference, it's minimal, right? This is European Mitsubishi Galant knuckle, and this is United States Mitsubishi Eclipse 99 GS. So why I have these knuckles over here? Well, thing is, I wanted a swap, Brembo swap on this car. So if you guys are familiar, you can do Evo Brembos, Evo 8 and 9, and swap them on Eclipse. For the back ones, if you want to do a back one, Evo Brembos will bolt on. There is just a minimum difference on the bolts, but you can still tighten it and still do it. So the back ones will bolt on, but the front one, it will not. So the problem with front calipers is this one right here is GS, right? The problem with this is distance from this bolt to this bolt is 130 millimeters, right? The Evo brakes, Evo calipers are 160. So there is no way for you to direct bolt them on. There's no way. So what people were doing is trying to weld the pieces over here, extend a little bit for 3 centimeters, 30 millimeters, and then weld a bunch of pieces and then drill a hole and then bolt them on. Well, yeah, you can do that. And it includes a lot of grinding, a lot of cutting, or you can get one of these. You can get a European Galant knuckle that is 160 millimeters. So from center of this hole to center of this one, as you can see, 10 is right there and 6 is right in the middle of that hole. So from center there, we're talking about centimeters. Those are those smaller numbers for here in Europe, in United States. So yeah, that little 6 next to the 5 over here, that's what it is. And this one here, as you can see, it's 130. So yeah, this will perfectly allow you to bolt on Brembos. This is, I would say, a better solution. I've seen people making adapters for these. I don't know how that holds, but one other thing is these are expensive. This one on the junkyard you can get for $10. This one are expensive. So if you want to do this swap, you have to understand that it's going to cost you a bit money, because this part right here, see, this part will get there, but it will not get to that hole. So it will cost you, like I said, a bit of money. And there is other solutions as well. I think there's a Cadillac Brembos that do bolt on 1G though, but I'm not positive about 2G. But anyway, you can order these online. A lot of Facebook groups, a lot of folks sell it. I will see if I can post the name of the guy that I bought it from. It got delivered in like 3, 4, 5 days maybe maximum to United States, which is really fast. He did say they're gonna be painted, which I'm kind of disappointed. I don't know what he did, but it's not a big deal. I'm gonna sand it down again and then primer it and paint it again. So yeah, that's not a problem. It does come with this pair came with the ABS sensor, as you can see over here. It took me a while to take it out. Plug is same as United States, so yeah, if you want ABS, it does come with the ABS as well. The problem also that you're gonna probably have is the stock rims will no longer be able to go on this knuckle on the car because the Brembos are huge and it will not have a clearance. You can use I think Evo rims, it will clear, and I think that's 17 by 8 by plus 35, I think, or plus 38, something like that, or maybe 42, I'm not positive, but yeah, if you do a research, it will tell you what it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I have another pair over there. I gotta take the ABS out because I don't think I'm gonna need it on this car. So yeah, I'm gonna take it out, clean it, sand it, paint it, get it ready for installing. I'm still waiting on my coilovers so they can go with this. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is one of the ways you can get Brembos on your Eclipse. There is bolt-on Brembos that cost close to $4,000. I've seen them, but yeah, that's not a way for me. So yeah, I went this cheaper way, but still expensive way. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I don't want to make this video 100 minutes just explaining the simple things. Like I said, everything from this will switch and it will bolt on here. Bearings and everything will go, it's same. Everything except calipers, of course. Calipers, like I said, you're gonna have to get Evo 8 or 9. So that will bolt on this two holes just fine. One other thing is the dust shield on the back will be in the way, so you're gonna have to cut that a little bit. Front, all the rotors will bolt on this. You're gonna have to get Evo rotors and it will bolt on here. You're gonna have to get lines. I think most of the brake lines from the GSX will bolt on. Not positive of a GS. I'm gonna go with braided lines anyway, so it should bolt just fine on this one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm thinking that this shield also should, as you can see, bolt on just fine. It should stay there. I will see on the clearance though how it will clear. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm still waiting on my Brembos to arrive so I can put all this together and finally start putting the suspension for this car, and then finally start working on the motor. So yeah, that's it, guys. Make sure you like it, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys maybe next time. Laters.